Hi, my name is Mike Speirs, Certified Master Inspector with the Elite Group. Every inspector's favorite tool is their outlet tester. It's important that we use this on every single job and test as many available and accessible outlets to determine for you if those outlets are properly wired and the polarity is correct within each outlet. Many older homes are not properly grounded. This tool will help us determine if those outlets are properly grounded so that we can identify those particular defects for you and allow you to make the decision of whether to hire an electrician to properly ground those outlets. Some outlets may be wired in reverse. An electrician may make a mistake and put the positive side to the negative and the neutral side to the positive side. This tester will identify that. Sometimes today's modern devices won't work if the outlets are not properly wired. That's why this device is great for us to help determine if your outlets are properly grounded and they're properly wired.